Summary of the application of stack petroleum anti-corrosion technology in the gas industry in 2014. Rehabilitation of existing pipe fittings for buried gas pipelines. Rehabilitation of anti-corrosion coatings for the valves in manholes. Anti-corrosion and protection of pipelines near bridges. Anti-corrosion and protection of outdoor pipelines at gas distributing stations. Buried converging pipelines under gas distributing stations. Application on welding seams between two buried pipes. Anti-corrosion and protection of buried block valves. Anti-corrosion and protection of ancillary pipes in gas regulator cabinets. Injection of anti-corrosion sealing materials to pipes already installed through concrete slabs and walls. Anti-corrosion and protection of stove pipelines in the kitchen. These are some of the applications of our products in the gas industry in 2014. Now we have a brief introduction about the anti-corrosion and protection of straight sections of pipes, and the application to irregular shaped connections and fittings. The stack anti-corrosion coating system is a multi-layer application. First, remove rust from the surface by mechanical methods such as wire brushing or abrasive blasting, according to the requirements of ST2. Second, apply the specified stack prime using your hands or brushes. Make sure to fill all surface imperfections. Third, apply stack wrap using the appropriate width. Fourth, spiral wrap stack guard tape over the stack wrap. Overlap the previous spiral with 15 to 25 millimeters of tape. Finally, apply one of our stack guard AG solutions for the best mechanical protection, isolation, and UV resistance available. Stack petroleum anti-corrosion coating system is hydrophobic and acid, alkali and solvent resistant. Environmental factors such as water and oxygen will not be able to penetrate the anti-corrosion barrier, preventing corrosion from happening to the metallic surface of the pipe. The excellent flexibility of the stack coating system enables it to be applied to irregularly shaped surfaces, and its self-healing performance ensures a continuous seal. The application of the stack anti-corrosion coating system protects the metal surface from corrosion factors, ensuring long-lasting anti-corrosion protection. Stack guard is highly impact resistant and is able to protect the pipes and coatings from damage caused by mechanical impacts. The stack anti-corrosion coating system is hydrophobic, which can displace moisture from the metal surface and form a sealed coating, which can shed corrosion factors. Our stack coating system products were installed to the steel pipe piles of the İzmit Quay in Turkey 30 years ago and are still effective. As shown here, stack prime can be applied underwater. In the stack petroleum coating application to irregularly shaped pipes, prepare the surface according to the requirements of ST2. Once done, apply stack prime first. The purpose of stack prime is to remove the moisture from the metal surface, passivate the corrosion factors, and fill tiny cavities. The workers here are applying stack fill to the bolts of the pipe fittings. As you can see, the surface to be treated is irregular, so by applying and packing stack fill, we can make a uniform contour to which stack wrap can be applied without bridging or voids. After the application of stack wrap and the formation of continuous coatings, we need to contour extremely uneven surfaces and remove air pockets to ensure adhesion to the metal surface. Wrapping is usually preferred for the application of stack wrap, but it also can be applied by patching in the form of a sheet. After the application of the petroleum coating, the workers apply stack guard protective coating over it. Stack guard is a tough, flexible, self-adhesive PVC tape. The purpose of stack guard is to enhance the dielectric strength and electrical isolation of the coatings, and protect stack wrap from the soil. Here is an example of what it looks like after the application is done. The stack coating system is designed to meet the anti-corrosion needs of the steel piles in the ocean, in the splash zone, and for applications in other severe atmospheric, arid, marine and humid environments. The application is simple and convenient. There is no need to heat or cool the materials or site. Stack can be wet applied, and there is no need to wait for materials to dry before moving on to the next step.